Here's a new 2018 GMC Sierra 1500. Comfort, convenience, power, and performance. For most trucks, these are ideals. For this truck, it's an undeniable reality. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, remote engine start smart device, heated steering wheel, V8 engine, trailer brake controller, electronic shift on the fly, and power tilt-down heated mirrors. Of the Sierra, Truck Trend explains, the Vortec 4800 winds through the power band quickly, setting up the transmission for a precise shift. GMC, it's not just a vehicle, it's a professional-grade tool. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
The deals won't get any better than they are every day at Ferguson Buick GMC. The customer service is great too. We are conveniently located off I-35 and West Robinson Street in Norman, Oklahoma.